Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam and Alfred as Arthur took oath as Member of Parliament for Lok Sabha today. Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam, who was elected as the MP for Inner Manipur Lok Sabha constituency, took oath in Manipuri language with a copy of Indian Constitution in his hand. Dr. Bimol concluded with the oath by chanting Jai Hind, Imphal Yaipare, Manipuri Mana Yaipare. Earlier, when Speaker Pro Tem B. Mahatab announced Manipur for the oath taking, members of India bloc cheered for the two MPs from Manipur as a gesture to highlight the year-long crisis in Manipur. Later, Alfred Arthur, who was elected as MP for Outer Manipur Lok Sabha constituency, took the oath in English and swore to bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India and to uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India and faithfully discharge his duty as Member of Parliament. Lok Sabha MP Alfred concluded his oath with an appeal for justice in Manipur and to save the country. Opposition leader Rahul Gandhi, along with opposition members, chanted Manipur, Manipur as both MPs from the state walked out to take oath as Member of Parliament. It may be mentioned that a total of 262 newly elected members took oath as MP yesterday, while the remaining 281 members will be administered oath by the Speaker Pro Tem today.
I Angomcha Bimol Akoijam Lok Sabha gi thawuroi misak amoina khanbiraklaba maramna aihagna taibung palbu sembi sabiba Sidaba Mapubu Panjaduna Wasaksari Madudi Aina Linkraba Bharat Kilengak Lon Janapathapu Aina Taseng Thazaba Amadi Pukning Seng Ningzabo Chagani Loinana Bharat Kining Tamba Amadi Amato Eva Saktambo Aina Yokat Chagani Amasung Aina Pakat Kadoriba Lokat Kadoriba Tautang Sing Pukchel Sengna Pangtok Chagani Jai Hind Imale Pagna Yaifare Manipuri Mana Yaifare.
I, Alfred Arthur, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Manipur mein nyay dilaye, desh bachaye. Thank you.